Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure software versions match so AirPlay will work reliably. Once done, install a receiver on your PC and open it. Connect the iPhone and PC to the same Wi-Fi network or enable USB tethering for a wired AirPlay proxy. This reduces lag. On the PC, allow network permissions and, if required, enable mirroring or AirPlay in the receiver app settings. You're now ready to move on to selecting the iPhone source and initiating the app. You open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring, then choose the PC name shown by the receiver app. This establishes the AirPlay session. If the app displays a PIN, type it on your iPhone to secure the connection and make sure video resolution and frame rate are set in the receiver for smooth playback. For audio, route output to the PC if you need sound. Once connected, verify orientation and privacy settings so notifications don't show. Then, continue to optimize performance. You finish by testing video and audio playback, adjusting bitrate and scaling in the receiver for clarity. If you still see lag or drops, switch to a USB connection and mark the PC as a trusted device on the iPhone. This often stabilizes the stream. Make sure the PC firewall permits the receiver app. If the connection fails, restart both devices, reopen the receiver, and pair again. This resets network handshakes. If issues persist, lower resolution or close background apps to free resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.